So I'm now going to Mi Clinic to get my laser treatment. It's not the first time I've done it because I've requested multiple times because of my scars here. And it's located at the Gangnam-gu office, that's the closest station. And I think a lot of the times you have to do it like a lot, if not the scars won't go away, because one time is not enough. So I always visit Mi Clinic, my trusted dermatologist in Korea, because they do PRP, which you can't have in Singapore. So I'm on the way walking to the clinic. You see the coffee sign over here, like coffee bean, and Mi Clinic is just here. So I'm at the 4th floor, which is the dermatology specialist center. I'm waiting for the doctor to come. So today I'm gonna do the Rejuran to lift the facial scars.
XSXR.
이게 더 좋은 거 같아요.
열심히 찍어줍니다.
감사합니다.
따뜻하세요.
네.
온도 괜찮으세요?
네. Gonna put on numbing cream. So today will be the first time I do the Rejuran, which will lift like my scars that are deeply sunken and lift them up. Excited.
리쥬란 이거 효과 좋습니다. 근데 굉장히 아파요.
무서워.
네, 피부 얇은데 놔야 돼요. 그래서 이거는 튼튼하게 해주는 거거든요. 피부 장벽을 엄청 튼튼하게 해주는 거라 영양제를 얼굴에 직접 넣는다고 생각하시면 돼요.
네.
눈 가릴 건데 괜찮으세요? 눈 가려드릴게요.
굉장히 카메라
어?
동시시.
No, it doesn't look that bad. Just look like I just wake up and there's a lot of bumps. Okay. Okay, I'm looking very scary. I'm gonna get my medicine at the pharmacy, which is nearby. So I'm gonna cover up with the mask. So the staff are all very helpful and nice, and the best thing is it's tax-free for foreigners, so you can really get treatments at a very good price. Trust me. So I just got back home from Mi Clinic and I'm actually making my noodles because my face was not it's not that bad, but I just don't want to go to a store and then take off the mask. I just want to faster get home and then have a rest, and then actually it got like a lot better. I'm gonna show you like videos of it later. Yeah, and I decided to do this treatment because the clinic consultant recommended me, and because laser is not actually that good for our skin. The Rejuran healer actually helps to recover the skin by improving the skin elasticity. So like it combines the damaged skin cells together to make it stronger, and it's good to actually mix like laser and Rejuran. So then your skin will actually improve. I'm gonna rest and I'll show you guys like the progress along the way. So currently, I'm just borrowing the light in the toilet. So this is how the skin looks like. So there's like a lot of holes from the needles. Like it's like calmed down already because they put like a healing cream, like the chasing cream. And yeah, usually once you do it right, you get like bumps on the face, but now it's all subsided after an hour because they put a cold mask pack. And so overall it's better now, and I'm sure in a few days it'll be fine. But as for now, I have to put sun cream on and before I go out, and also I was prescribed some antibiotics that I have to finish in 3 days. So I'll keep you posted. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to review about my Rejuran procedure that I did in Korea with Me Clinic. And so I did Rejuran Healer for a session, and it only took about 1.5 hours. And one of the major benefits it brings is that it actually strengthens your skin by introducing these polynucleotides, which is derived from the salmon DNA, and it helps to actually rebuild the damaged skin cells. So it's particularly good for acne-prone skins that has a lot of acne scars or wrinkles. And also generally, its main benefit is to give you a more lifted and youthful look. You might be wondering if this procedure is painful or not. And I'm not gonna lie, it is painful, but I've done like quite a lot of procedures, so it takes time to get used to it. So once you are familiar with how like the pain goes, you actually think that it's pretty normal. But on a scale of 10, I think it's 8. It might get pretty painful because it's small needles that go into your skin and it's all over your face, so it will be painful. So if you're willing to take the pain, and please go for it. If you are looking for a treatment that helps you keep your skin looking young and supple, and also you want a glow to your skin, actually Rejuran is a very good choice because it's long-term effect, not like fillers or like Botox, which Botox reduce wrinkles. But Rejuran actually has a permanent effect that doesn't go away, and you can do it maybe about 4 weeks apart. It's best to do it maybe 3 times a year. That will reap you the most benefit. So after talking so much, let's take a look at the post and pre-treatment comparison after 4 weeks in Korea. Last but not least, if you are interested, I'll put the link below as to Me Clinic procedure, and you can actually drop by their clinic if you're in Seoul. And this Rejuran Healer treatment is actually very suitable to be combined with other treatments because they use the salmon DNA extracts, which are biologically very safe for humans. So you can actually mix them up with your procedures to actually reap the full effect, because it helps to recover by stimulating collagen like the fibroblast. Yeah, I don't know much about that. You may check with your clinician. So what I would recommend is you do a laser, like a Fraxel laser with the clinic, and then after that you do a Rejuran, so it will help you to heal a lot better and a lot faster. So that's all I have. Thank you for watching, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like to see more of this, and comment and tell me what you'd like to see more. Bye bye!